must eat about 3-4 o'clock.
Go a road and let she be.
Well, you can't go just dip off and because you don't sleep with no man, so you just go wash up and afternoon.
Dip off your wife.
Dip off for what? Eh? We give Pearl weed already. We can't make she smoke too much weed.
So, me no man see it good, me no man see it good. Man, tap it. Go feed the man say. You think you can go between me and chain because you chain no man? How about your ass do you in here? You need to gimme.
Me and sister.
What?
Me and sister.
Well, alright. You know what your brother said to you, say give you all one. Yeah. You know, do it thing, man. You know, start to make you run it. You know, you go a long time with no brass cloth to me, you know.
You won't have things I want to
But
see.
this time, give me trouble. Here I no chain me run, so I pick up the sitting them half of your floor. Here I know the chain they want. Me say I give no
Pearl get fresh, huh?
with blood clot.
Pearl look fresh, huh, Shy?
To me, no, Miss Lucky.
Lucky?
Yeah, man, me not
so Lucky agree with you?
Yeah, because me not see a man.
They not for lucky in regular.
But lock up more regular.
So, when he say give man, because I run things. Are you run things and I'm a man? So he say, yeah, you must just, yeah.
Really?
Good. You know, hear what I'm saying? Woman no rule man, you know, and go idiot man, woman rule, you know. When man a man say, yeah, I just, yeah. And I'm fucking wait to read it, I just, yeah. I'm gonna talk. You know, go be a man talk.
Do you like
Go be a boy talk. But she ain't a man. Come in with me, please, let me go and put it in and go come back, man. You see you too?
I'm doing now.
You see you too? You don't care what I'm getting for you, but...
The way Guinness there.
I say what they may have to get
no, you're not my friend, you know, because I remember you are the
no, listen up.
Braga said I'll heal for him. I don't send no heal back to him. Tell him.
So all we if you see Braga for seeing heal.
Him call him, say him come and say me and son a shout and him no hear you neither.
We never hear.
And me tell him, say to him, say he could have play music.
We would have never hear Braga call.
And tell me, say him check the man. No, him say the car and I go run in
we inside. She him have a earphone over him ears sometimes.
She's not on the gate yesterday.
I'm here calling she not the gate yesterday. They go come in and say, show me music up there.
Sometimes him in the kitchen and him up in the studio, me call him and he now.
No, because you see the music up here and I hear you.
Well, that man show you in our house me there.
I notice the music up here, so I say I'm low in because I'm music up here.
And every time Raga say, heal up Shane, ever come say, every time I see Braga,
because he need tomorrow.
Then I said, him send heal to me. Him send heal to me, I'm going to say heal Raga.
Shane rate Raga, man.
Shane Braga said Shane I'm virgin, man.
I'll be a big one friend like Raga. You don't have a young friend, man.
You're the youngest girl, me keep, you know what, you young, you know, you're a big woman friend.
I'm a big woman. You think me a little girl?
You young to my, you young to me, you can my daughter, granddaughter.
Well, yeah, true.
So, me a big woman for you, so you're a little big girl. I come up, you know, no big woman for me to that now. Or you could have been my granddaughter and my own daughter.
Tomorrow couldn't be a daughter, your granddaughter.
Why you say so?
And I'm not daughter.
No, me I say that the age that she know. If I did
not
look here, I don't want you fuck me up in night, you know, because you don't know, go on and leave me, man. She's picking for me.
You don't pick me, say you can't compare the people.
No, Tamara's picking for me, don't tell me that. And you don't pick me too.
Yeah, but that's it, I couldn't be a son, kind of a son.
Pearly ready? You come like a ready now.
Blood clot that take me and
Pearl look nice though, I can't understand Pearl.
Stop it!
Like she rub up with aloe vera.
Oh,
yo.
Me just in my place,
all
I'm
her skin looking at her face, everything look. Raga must have, you know. Eh?
But say I walk look fierce so at daytime.
Come like
yeah, Braga.
I'll Bill Street.
Street. Man, say yes, man, a root girl.
all her face get fun.
Yeah, Braga, it's a Tamara team, I hear him. And he said, he'll be here. Me say yes, man, he said.
Like she not
Like
smoke.
Tamara right now, she a root girl. I say, yes, a fool girl, little girl, that man. How do you want to root?
I'm not going to ask you.
My Rasta.
When you run in a smoke feed, when you run in
a bombo clot, if you come down, look at my bedside with slip tail, much down blood clot.
you look like you're smoking. You look fresh.
And me just Tamara, me come out one guy, and me go buy one number. And you see me want one drink, so I go buy and I out, me lock up.
I'm a juice, I'm a girl last night, Shane.
Shane, you know,
that she fresh, so.
I chew in something again.
Shane, you know, that she come last night here, I know. She give me 2 bills now. Here she with her can blood clot, say, no, I can't tell me now, say. He must sell me a juice and a bean. Me say the two of you man give me.
And you get discount. Me give you senior citizen price. You get senior citizen. You think $100 I sell my juice for?
No, me not say that. But me you're parring. So you just get a bills and not know what you pay for, but get a bills that you can repeat.
I juice makes it look so fresh.
The juice, you know, you have the whole like and the food and everything you go down, make him a tap cake for food. I catch me someone there go down and read.
Can I juice for a drink yesterday?
Beetroot.
Beetroot and carrot in it.
The man say more than
Beetroot and
beetroot.
oh.
Beetroot and something.
Oh, I know where that.
Tamara, give me a thing, make me come get you go out and come get me get this something you say you want.
Where you say you want?
Stay trained to begin and split, then come the man. Oh, flat. How you can't go on? So, brother. We are going to go and come over I already know when you come back. So that's what you say to me now.
Oh, rather.
Pony.
Oh, you know, I'm seeing Clara up there. You talk to me. Yeah, I'm thinking this.
Hello, good afternoon. Bless up. Dog. Oh. Hold on.
Yeah, my them have to catch up.
Dog.
Yo, my G.
What is sir?
Everything good?
Alright.
I tell me.